videos we covered, okay, about have you remembered, right? Bootstrap, the basic introduction completed, how you can sir use the bootstrap buttons. Next and after that, bootstrap jumbotron. Next and after that, bootstrap forms, how we use it. Next after forms, even we discussed about yes, a grid concept also we started grid forms concept. Next and after that, grid concept. Next, before forms, have you remembered, right? We covered about navbar, and there is one burger. What is that? Veg burger or non-veg? There is some burger concept we discussed. Hamburger. Okay, like navbar and hamburger. Even grid concept also we discussed, right? Okay, grid. There is one small version change we identified. Have you remember, right? In the 4x and the 3x, 5x, there are some small versions are there. Okay, so in the 4x, even I gave in the notes, in our running notes, I gave some difference also. Okay, in bootstrap, in bootstrap 4, sir, here we had extra small this thing removed. We are not required to specify extra small. Remember this one, sir. Extra small, we are not required to specify. Okay, like so this is I told already. Next, in bootstrap 5, double xl, l, double xl, double xl, like it's also came into the picture. Okay, like sir, now the next thing what I have to talk here is take very special care about this one. Have you remember, right? In bootstrap 4, call x, yes, extra small is replaced with just a call hyphen only, something like a call hyphen 4 box. Okay, like sir, in the bootstrap grid system, the total screen divided into how many columns? Anyone, can you please tell? I forgot. Anyone, can you please tell? 12 columns. 12 columns are there. Okay, like now, so even how you can on the small screen, big screen, how you can define, so that depends on these are things we aware. So what are various classes are there? Okay, like we covered all these things, right? Okay, well, so now my question is, sir, is it possible to take grid inside a grid or not? Yes, nested grids. Is it possible or not? Yes, nested grid is always possible. Grid inside a grid. Grid inside a grid. Is it possible or not? So inside a grid, we can take another grid. Okay, it is possible. Such a type of thing is called grid, nested grid. Grid inside grid. Is it possible or not? Yes, definitely it is a possible, sir. Don't worry, right? Sir, now can you explain with an example, like sir, just take a bit very special care about this one. Sir, I'm taking. So have you remembered, right? If it is, if it is, sir, grid, if you want to implement by using two classes, we can implement. What is the first one? I forgot. Anyone, can you please tell what is the first one? I forgot. What is the first one? Row class, and the second one call class. Okay, like row class and then call class, right? Okay. Now here, let me go for directly. Okay, here bootstrap photo gallery, bootstrap demo. Okay, like test.html, like sir, have you observed row class, row class must be required. Okay, like I'm taking, sir, here my total, how many elements I'm taking? Can you please confirm, sir, how many elements I'm taking on the short screen? On every screen, okay, three elements will be there. Each element is going to take 4 columns width. Sir, now is this one is applicable for which one? Please confirm. I forgot. This one is applicable for which screen? Which screen? Please confirm. This one is applicable for, okay, extra small. If you set for extra small, automatically by default it's applicable for all the remaining screens also. Lower, if you set, if you are not setting higher, automatically lower configuration will be reflected for the higher automatically, right? That's why for all the screens, whether it is extra small or medium or large or XL or double XL, something like yes, for all those things, definitely it is possible. Okay, like now let me cross check here. Observe carefully. What I'm trying to take here is, yes, here three elements are there. Perfect. Now if I consider any screen, if you consider three elements only, is the grid is the clear? Yes, respond, friends. Is the grid is the clear, right? Three elements on all the screens, whether it's the XL or double XL, like Now I want to take only two screens. What is the way, sir? I want to take only two screens. What is the way? What is the way, sir? Okay, like sir. Now here just observe carefully, right? Okay, only two screens, only two elements, then automatically sir, six, each one is going to occupy two things, right? Okay, like we are taking, yes. Now only two things are there. Okay, like now my question here is, take a bit special care, sir. Is it possible, is it possible to take element inside, is it possible to take so element a grid inside another grid or not? Yes, possible, right? Yes, possible, right? Okay, like the such type of concept is called what? Nested grid. Nested grid. What I'm trying to take here is, listen carefully, right? Sir, I want to take a nested grid. Two elements are there. This is the two elements are there, sir. What I'm trying to take, in the place of first element, now have a look once, sir. This is the first element, right? This is the first element place. Yes, can you please confirm, is it correct or not? Yes, this is the first element in my row, and this is the second element. Now in the first element place, let me take, I'm taking class row. Okay, now I want to take another, I want to take another I'm going to take another something, this is something like another grid. Okay, observe carefully, right? I'm going to take another grid. Okay, now here in this row what I'm trying to take is, just in this row what I'm trying to take is, have you observed, right? Now sir, call I want to take, how many elements I'm going to take here? Here four elements I'm going to take. Okay, call six. Okay, call uh, here four elements means three, sir. Nested element one or n, yes, n, yeah, nested, or otherwise element one a I'm taking, element one a I'm trying to take, element one, yeah, here like sir, 1b, 1b, 1c, something like 1d. Okay, like assume that, sir. Okay, like sir, now listen a bit very carefully about this terminology, right? Okay, now my question is, observe carefully, right? Okay, sir, actually this is my first element, first column is going to take six width. In that six width, again I'm trying to take a nested grid where four elements are there. Each element is going to take three columns width in that place. Is it acceptable? Can you please confirm, is it acceptable? Yeah, respond. Now how it looks like, sir, just for your idea sake, let me take, for your idea sake, let me take, sir, this is the total 12 columns. These 12 columns are divided into, yes, two elements, first element, second element. But in the first element, again I took the grid. If you are taking the grid means 12 columns are there. Every element, four elements you are taking, every element is going to take okay, three places. Okay, three column positions. Okay, like can I expand this a type of nature for this grid? Yeah, if I access this one, can I get the same kind of thing? If I can take like this, can I get the same kind of thing? Can you please confirm? Yes, no? Okay, like let me cross check, I'm not sure. Let me cross check, sir. This one is going to be happen or not? Yes, sir. Nested grid I'm trying to take. Yeah, here now let me access this page. Okay, here just observe, beautiful. Okay, this total thing is element one, and this one is element two. Now sir, in all the screens either behavior should be same or not? In all the screens either behavior should be same or not? Yes, in all, in on any screen size the behavior is the same, because we are setting at extra small, the least level we are setting. Automatically it is going to be reflected for all the levels also. Okay, now have a look once. Now I'm trying to take, yes. Have you observed? You never, it is a responsive, it is a screen to screen, the look and feel is not going to be changed. That's what you people should aware. Clear, right? So grid inside grid possible nested. This type of syntax, this type of combination is it possible or not? Venkatramana, possible. In the same grid, instead of taking different sizes, dividing main into two parts. In the first half, I'm taking multiple, but in the second half, I want to take three elements only. Is it possible or not? But in the second place, I want to take three elements only. Is it possible or not? Yes, yes, possible. No problem, right? What I have to take now? So don't take element two. Don't take element 2. Now you have to take let me take another grid. Let me take another grid here. Another grid I'm taking. In this grid only three elements are there. Only three elements are there. Okay, three elements are there. Okay, like now this one is not required. Next 2a, 2b, 2c, like this I'm taking, sir. 2a, okay, 2b, 2b I'm trying to take. Next 2c, like I'm taking. That's it. Feeling comfortable? Yeah. Now here, so you can define separate styling for these elements. Bus on the on all the screens, it should be same. But here, can I define only for these three elements separate styling? Venkatramana, have you observed, right? Separate on the large screen only two elements, but on the small screen, so here just only one element, something like is it possible to set or not? Yes, why not? That is the advantage, right? Call without number, I don't think, Hussein. If maybe in the bootstrap level, if they specified any default value. Okay, if by default, if it is going to take some default, then only it will be possible. Okay, but clear, everyone in the position to understand? Okay, so this type of thing is called the nested grid concept. Any explanation is required? Grid inside a grid, is it possible to take or not? Yeah, Hussein. Okay, now let me go for one more concept. I mean, sir, let me let me combine whatever we discussed up to in bootstrap, up to this whatever we covered. Let me convert into a small application so that you people will get much clarity. In addition to that application development, some more extra things we are going to discuss. Okay, don't worry. Now here just take a bit very special care. Version issues, okay, like there are some version issues are there. Please take a bit very special care. Okay, like now, can I go for a small application? Yeah, please confirm. Okay, just I want to go for a small, okay, what we call photo gallery application I want to take, sir. Okay, bootstrap photo gallery application I want to take. Okay, bootstrap photo gallery application I want to take. Okay, somewhere, have you remembered, right? We use this type of concept somewhere. Have you remembered where we use this concept? uh, yeah. In the css I covered. In the css I covered photo gallery application. In the css we discussed, right? So margin 10 percentage or 10.6 or something like we used. I hope you people may remember almost around six or seven applications I covered in the css. In that one application, wines, next heroine images, like I took one example, right? Now I want to explain the same kind of thing by using bootstrap. Now take very special care about this one, sir. Okay, like can I go for that? Yeah, from the scratch onwards I want to develop. Okay, like yeah. Now here just observe that. Okay, there are my multiple files are there, don't worry about that. Okay, sir, there is one image is already there with me. I want to use this image. What is this image, sir? Here just observe that. Beautiful. Okay, because very important, right? Okay, very important, it should be part of our life. Okay, like one image I took, sir. Now here my requirement is, okay, let me take a gallery. Okay, gallery. So 5.html, any name we can use, right? Gallery 5.html I'm taking, sir. Okay, pure, because I want to build from the scratch everything. Okay, like Next, gallery 5 dot CSS file also let me take. Gallery 5 dot CSS. Okay, like yeah, there are two HTML pages are one HTML, one CSS is there, sir. Now let me take yes here. Okay, no, sorry. Here just observe that HTML, HTML. Why it's not selecting, man? What? Sorry, in the CSS it is. It is okay. Well, HTML is ready. Okay. Now here Durga. Here just I'm trying to take Durga bar. Okay, Durga bar photo gallery. Okay, I'm trying to take Durga bar photo gallery. Okay, like I'm trying to take, sir. Yeah. Okay, up to this is okay. Now here what my requirement is, so bootstrap CSS we are going to use. Bootstrap CSS we are going to use, don't worry, sir. Okay, like but in addition to bootstrap CSS, sometimes I may not happy with bootstrap CSS, then I may require to go for my own CSS styling also. That's why I'm taking extra. So first thing what I have to take care, please make sure bootstrap CDN available. Okay. So next navbar hamburger we are going to use. If you want to use navbar hamburger, bootstrap JavaScript must be required. But for JavaScript, jQuery is required. We remember in our last session somewhere we covered. That's why please make all these things available at the beginning only. So let me open getbootstrap.com. Okay, getbootstrap.com. Now 4.5 version. Yeah, the total problem with the newer versions. Please take a bit special care about this one. So first thing what I have to take care, CSS related thing. Okay, you can select all the things together or one by one, no problem, right? So let me copy. Okay, this is bootstrap related CDN. Have you remember, right? So this is the bootstrap related CDN. Okay, like let me copy separately. Don't worry. Let me copy separately, right? Okay. So now it is the CDN. Okay, where I have to take, sir? Yes, inside here I'm taking like this. Yeah, please confirm. Please confirm. Is it okay, right? Yeah, bootstrap CDN. Just I copied. Okay, next. So now bar we are going to use hamburger, but to use hamburger jQuery JavaScript must be required. That's why JavaScript and jQuery, yes, copy bundle here like this one is okay. Let me copy. Okay, like sir, what these are things? Can you please observe jQuery and then JavaScript? So first which thing must be required? First which thing must be required? Here just observe the sequence. So this one, I mean hamburger required JavaScript, but to work JavaScript jQuery must be required. That's why first jQuery and then JavaScript. First jQuery and then JavaScript. So what I will take is inside body, anywhere we can take. These are the CDNs for jQuery and JavaScript. Okay, at last I'm taking this one. Okay, at last I'm trying to take this one. Yeah, that's all. So clear, right? Now related to up to this, are you facing any difficulty to understand? Yeah, please confirm. Are you facing any difficulty to understand? Nothing. Okay, well, now my question is observe carefully, right? Okay, here take a bit special care. Okay, these are just only CDNs just I added, right? Okay, and then I want a nav bar. Observe carefully, right? I want a nav bar. Okay. What I want to do here is, can we take jQuery and JS inside header 2 to make look and clean? No. There is, if you are going to take inside the head part, then there is some not recommended. But the reason for that, so page loading will become slow and so on. That's why better to keep in the body at last. Okay, highly recommended. Yes, in the JavaScript, there I will discuss about what is the impact of this. If I can take JavaScript at the beginning, at the end, in the middle, what is the difference? That part I will take care. But as of now, highly recommended, good programming practice, better to keep these two CDNs at last. Okay, next here see this one. Now what is the next thing? I want to take a navbar. I want to take a navbar. Okay, like sir, here navbar, let me copy paste. Yeah, Hemant or someone asked, sir, I'm facing some problem, like, so please observe that what I'm trying to take. Okay, sir, can I Sai, can I copy paste this one? Okay, the code, the total whatever default navbar is there, just I'm trying to copy paste. Okay, like no issue at all. Yes, let me copy paste. This is navbar, I copy pasted. Okay, like yeah, perfect. This is the navbar what I had. So inside navbar, all these things, let me move a bit. Okay, that's it. Navbar is really, navbar is coming or not? Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, navbar is coming. Perfect. Durga bar photo gallery. Perfect. My title. Okay, like sir, hamburger should come and should work or not? Please confirm. Hamburger should come and should work. Compulsory. It should come and it should work. Okay. Now what I'm trying to take is, yes, observe that. Yes, it is coming. It is going to work also. Yes, have you observed, right? Now all. Okay. Now, so here my next requirement is, okay, let me take let me take a jumbotron. Okay, let me take a jumbotron. Okay, after navbar, I'm trying to take a jumbotron. Okay, jumbotron, like sir, anyone, can you please confirm how to take a jumbotron? Okay, so can I, yeah, here we how to take a jumbotron. Can I make this one also inside jumbotron or not? Is it possible? Can I take this navbar also inside jumbotron or not? Yes, possible. No, sorry, inside container or not? Yes, possible, right? Okay, let me take let me take a class container, div class container. Next, div class jumbotron. Okay, like now I'm trying to take h1 tag, h1 tag. Okay, durga bar, durga bar, here just durga bar. Okay, durga bar, photo gallery. Okay, like I'm trying to take photo gallery. Okay, so next, here wine or alcohol, any alcohol, yeah, any alcohol is any alcohol, like beer, wine, okay, whiskey or something, like is too good for health health and for health and for country also, okay, country also. Okay, like it is yeah, uh, so here any alcohol like beer, wine, etc. is good, is too good for health and for country also. It is direct shortcut. It is a direct shortcut for heaven. Okay, like I'm trying to take. Yeah, wonderful. This is my this is my, okay, jumbotron. Okay, like yeah, now observe a bit carefully. Yes, perfect, jumbotron also came, sir. Jumbotron also came. Now my requirement is, sir, seems to be, do you know, can you please give some space for that? Give some space up to this. Let me do, sir. What I have to do is, okay, this is the jumbotron. Sir, why this gap is coming? Anyone, can you please confirm why this gap is coming? This gap is coming because of container, can I make this one also inside container or not? Yeah, navbar also inside container or not? We can write. What I have to take, let me remove container here. Just I remove container here. Okay, where I'm taking container, total navbar inside container you can take, no problem, right? Okay, total navbar inside a container I'm taking. Yeah, can you please observe that? Perfect. Is it okay, right? Respond. Is it okay, right? Yeah. Now also here you can see it is working properly. Sir, next here what my requirement is, okay, I want to take colors. I want to seems to be very light. Next, these are not my required things, like in the nav bar. Okay, let me add here Durga bar, not nav bar, Durga bar, home. Next, there are some pages, like you can take some content. Okay, like yeah, here just what I'm trying to take here is inside div, inside nav bar here header, what I'm trying to take Durga bar. This is the brand Durga bar. Okay, Durga bar. Next Durga bar. Yes, perfect. Next home. Okay, link link here, like what I'm trying to take is, where is the link tag? ul auto here home. Okay, link here home. Next, and after that, okay, uh, products. Okay, products, something like I'm trying to take products. Which products are there? Which products are there? Next, and after that, uh, next prices or something like I'm trying to take. Okay, sir, here just observe carefully. Home products, this drop down under disable, I don't want. Can I remove that? Drop down under disable, disable. Let me remove drop down under disable. Okay, just a li items, li, sir, here, like now I want to take another li. Okay, like prices. Okay, prices, like I'm trying to take. Okay, now that's all. Okay, prices, like yeah, can you please scratch home products prices, like these are the links, the corresponding page links you can take. If I click this one, automatically next page by default will come, don't worry at all. Okay, like prices, like next yeah, we can take drop down also, Ajay. That we can take, no problem at all. So just to make application as a simple, just I took direct hyperlinks. If you want, you can take drop down. Already the code is already provided by Bootstrap only. Next, I don't want this form on the right hand side. Okay, let me remove this form. Let me remove this form. Okay, removed. Now observe carefully, right? Okay, well, so now I want to add some items on the right hand side at the top. Have you remembered, right? I want to add some items on the right hand side at the top. Okay, what I want to take is, for the another ul we have to take. Have you remembered? Have you? I hope you people remember in the last somewhere we covered. Okay, sir, if I can take another ul, mr auto. I don't want ml auto. ml auto. Okay, like next here my first li. Okay, talks about us or contact us. Okay, contact us. Next, the second one I'm talking about login. Okay, like login. Okay, like yeah, now bar is ready. Mm. Please confirm. Are you feeling comfortable? Now bar and bootstrap. But anyway, alignment, space, like these kind of things, I will take care. You are not required to worry much about that. Sir, now my question here is, observe carefully about this terminology, right? Okay, this is about just this is about what is the basic. Now Durga photo gallery, under this one there is a margin is not there. Have you observed, right? Margin is not there. Okay, like so if I can keep margin top, okay, some space, then it will become good. Okay, like next, moreover, one more thing I have to take care. So yeah, here just what I want to take here is, listen carefully about this one. So I want to give margin. So these two things are coming side by side. These two things are coming here one by one. There is no space in the middle. That's why can I define my own styling or not? Please confirm. Is it possible to define our own style or not? Yes. Or otherwise you can use BR. You can use BR also, no problem, right? But let me use a styling. But to use our own style, please make sure, sir, our CSS file also should be linked here. Okay, link. Okay, here I'm trying to take gallery 5.css. What is that? Can you please observe that? Gallery 5. Gallery 5.css, like I'm taking, sir. Okay. Let me take a gallery 5. Gallery 5.css. Gallery 5. Here, my requirement is, sir, Jumbotron is the class is there or not? For this, Jumbotron class is there. For this, so margin top, let me take as some 100 pixel I'm taking. Margin top. You know, margin top. Margin means, margin means, I hope you people can aware that space between the elements. Okay, like now I save this one. Is it going to be reflected or not? Yeah, here more space is there. I don't want this much. Okay, later if you want, you can specify whatever you require, sir. 20 pixel is there as of now 20 pixel. Perfect. Okay, well, now 20 pixel I'm taking. Well, there is a space is also there. Next, so this look and feel is not that much good. This look and feel is not that much good. Okay, what I'm trying to take, background. So here I'm trying to take, so red color, like, yeah, don't worry. Any color you can take. Red color I'm taking. Text color is white. I'm trying to take. Text color is white. Yeah, blazing color will be there. Okay, like no problem, itself is acceptable, right? Next, do you know here this text I want to align center? Is it possible? Is it possible? Text align center. Okay, like I'm taking. Is it possible or not? Can you please cross check? Yes, perfect. Itself is possible, no problem, right? Friends, everyone in the position to understand? Okay, now the problem here is, now where is our navbar? Navbar looks like, it is not, it is when this red color came, automatically this one is a very dull. Okay, is it possible to change navbar color or not? Okay, like 1 minute, sir. Here I did navbar color or not. Yeah, here 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, one. Here just observe that. Yeah, here now class is equal to navbar expand LG, navbar light, BG light. What is this one? What is this one? Background light. Are you getting right? Background light. These many classes are there. Background light. Sir, I don't want background light. Don't worry. Background light, I don't want. Right. Okay. Let me remove that. Let me. So you can take BG dark. You can take. No problem. BG dark. You can take. Now observe that. If I can take like this, yes, like. But anyway, dark I don't want. My requirement is, okay, I want to define my own styling. My own styling, no problem. Color combination is already Bootstrap 4 having colored. Let me define my own styling also, no problem at all. What I want to take is, listen very carefully about this one, sir. Here, just observe carefully. What I'm trying to take. What is the class for this navbar? This is right. This is the class. Sir, this is the class. Navbar. This is the class. Navbar class. Okay. Now, what I'm trying to take, dot navbar. Background is green. I'm taking, sir. Background itself is the green. Yeah. Okay. Are you feeling comfortable, right? Okay. Well, background is the green. Sir, next, sir, I have one small doubts are there. Yeah, perfect. It's visible also. Okay, now here just observe that. Yes, all the things are there. But only there is one small problem is there, sir. What is the problem here is, so these colors, have you observed these color, font color? Okay, it is not that much good. What I have to take is, Sir, where from where these colors are coming? Can you please observe that? Can you please observe inside a navbar? Inside a navbar, uh, here Durga bar. It is the text of our anchor tag. Correct, right? Anchor tag. Next home. It is the text of our anchor tag. Next products. It is the text of our anchor tag. Anchor tag. Okay. So everything is text for anchor tag. Correct, right? So this anchor tag available where? Inside navbar. Inside navbar. Then automatically, yeah, here dot navbar. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Here only. If I can take color is equal to white. If I can take like, is it going to be reflected? No, no. Have you observed, right? No, it is not. It's not reflecting. Okay, in the navbar directly, it's not reflecting. Okay, like what I have to take is yeah, what I require to take is, sir, dot what is the navbar class is already there inside navbar class. A means, sir, do you know this is what which type of selector it is? Descendant selector. Descendant selector. Have you remember, right? Descendant selector inside navbar. Inside navbar. Okay. For every anchor tag. For every anchor tag. Okay, like sir, 1 minute. 1 minute. Parent and child. Parent and child. Can I take nav tag directly? Is it going to be reflected or not? Navbar, is it required? Color is white. I'm trying to take. 1 minute. No. Let me take dot navbar. Dot navbar. It is not going to be reflected. Yeah, maybe. Yes. Have you observed, right? Dot navbar color. Yeah. Why? What may be the reason? 1 minute. 1 minute, right? Here, just observe that. Right click on this element. Inspect. Just observe carefully. Inspect. Inspect. Navbar color white is okay, override with navbar light. Have you remembered, right? Even though you are setting this one, but it is override with okay, this color. Feeling comfortable? Have you observed, right? Have you observed, right? This is override our thing. So more specific is going to consider. What I will do is 1 minute. Now I have to convey. Yes, now I require to convey. But anyway, please observe, believe me, we are just to get basic idea in the front end. We are discussing all these things. We are not front end developers. We are back end developers. Django is our job, not okay, front end. But we should explore. We should have basic idea. For that, I'm covering all these things. Even we are not required to explore in this style. Just for basic idea sake, just I'm talking. Okay, here. So it is overriding, right? Overriding my style with another style. What I want to say, oh, it is this style is important. This style is important. Like I want to specify. How to specify? Don't override. Don't override. It is the important for me. Okay, like sir, here, like this is the perfectly acceptable syntax. Remember this one, sir. So here, like I'm trying to take. Have you observed, right? Are you feeling comfortable? Okay, don't override. Don't override. Can you please consider, like now observe. Wow, thank God. Thank God. Don't try to override. Okay, like we are getting. Any doubt? Any doubt about this one? Okay, now here just observe that. Yes, perfect. Even hamburger is also coming. Okay, like yeah, not required to keep any explanation about this one. Okay, like now. So what I have to take care is grid. Hamburger. Yeah, someone is asking about, sir, what is about hamburger color? Okay, if you just right click on this, inspect. Right click on this, inspect, inspect. Now, do you know hamburger? It is the image. Image. Have you observed, right? This is the image. Image color is always fixed. Image color is always fixed. If you want, we can configure our own image. Hmm. Have you observed, right? Data colon image, data colon image. Okay, like it is the image. That image, who is the responsible to provide? Bootstrap people provided for image. You can't change the color of the lines and so on. I don't think. Okay, it is already defined. Like so, who already provided, sir? Yes, sir. These bootstrap people already provided. That's why. So we are not. We, if you want, we can change this image. But anyway, why I have to take that risk as of now? Clear, right? Are you feeling comfortable? What is the next cinema? What is the next cinema I require to take? Grid concept. Grid concept, right? So grid, how we can take grid? Okay. Now my requirement is, so for large screen, okay, for large screen, four images, okay, grid, four images. Sir, here this is, you can take for large screen, four images you can take, four images. Next, in all the remaining cases, only two images. Remaining cases, only two images. Okay, is it good, right? To even in the mobile also, even in the mobile view also, two images I required. Okay, so large screen, four images, but in all remaining, only two images we have to take. Okay, like this is my requirement, right? What we have to do, how you can do that? Grid, sir. Okay, grid syntax already you people aware, right? Okay, next one more thing, one more. Okay, let me take let me take the grid here. Okay, you can take inside a container, no problem at all. Okay, no issue at all. Or even you are not taking inside a container, then automatically uniformity by default will be there. Okay, like now inside a container, how to define grid, sir? Div class is equal to row. Hey, have you remember, right? Div class is equal to row, like we have to take. Next, inside that div class, call call large screen. How many images you require? Please confirm. Respond. How many images you require for large screen? How many images you require? Ayo, I don't know. How many images are required? Four images. Four images are required means how many columns it has to take each one? Three columns. Correct, right? Three columns it has to take. Three columns it has to take. Next, call. Okay. So XS, XS, XS means extra small. But anyway, that thing is not there. Directly you can specify. Only two images means six column length. Six column length. Okay. So on the large screen, my image has to take three columns. But on the small screen, I mean extra small, it has to take a six. For extra small, six columns means only two images. So for extra small, for a small, for a medium, everywhere is the same. But for the large, there is a change is there. Have you remember, right? Sir, low level will be reflected automatically to the higher level. So, but only for LG you define. That's why it is going to be changed only for LG. But for MD, all the cases it is the same. Any doubt? Respond. Any doubt about this one? Okay, that's all. Here, have you remembered? I took element one, element two, like I took, but now here let me take div tag, right? Here, which element you want to take? Which element we have to take? Sir, have you remembered? Image I want to take. Image I want to take. So which image we require to take, sir? Heaven.jpg. Heaven.jpg we have to take. Okay, like sir, that's all. This is one thing I'm taking. 1 minute, sir. Don't worry at all. Okay. Yeah, good. One image is coming. One image is coming. Okay, like sir, how many images you require? Okay, so four means 3 rows I require. Sorry, on the large screen 4 images means 3 rows. 3 rows means let me take 12 images. 3 rows means 12 images I have to take, correct time? 12 images I require to take. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, like sir, some people are asking row, sir, only the same row you are taking, no problem at all. So once the required number of elements completed, automatically will move to the next row. We are not required to specify separately, right? Don't you we are not required to worry about that. Okay, like yeah, 1 minute. What happened? Is it reflecting? Only one image everywhere, right? Div tag is not closed properly. 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, here we require to take a div tag. I have to close. Correct. One extra div came. Div class row. Why this one is coming? Div class container 1 to 1 to only 2 things are enough. Can you please confirm? Okay. Why you are taking 12 times is okay. Rakesh is telling something. Sir, here on the large screen, how many images per row you require? 4 images. 4 images. Then I want 3 rows. 3 rows. Then automatically 1, 2, 3. For every row, 4 images means how many images? 12. Getting right? Yeah, that's what my intention. Okay. Now here don't worry at all. Have you observed? I observed something. It is not my expected. It is not my expected. Of course, in the CSS we can do, but anyway, I don't want to go for CSS kind of thing. What I want to take is now observe how to place images properly. How you can place images properly. There is one class is there, sir. What is that class is? Okay, do you know? There is one class is there for the images kind of thing. What is that class is? Take very special care. Okay, 1 minute. Thumbnail class it seems. img thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail class it seems. 1 minute. There is some difference is there for the first one. Next, one more for the image. Okay, image class is equal to okay, 1 minute, sir. There is one class is there for the image. What is that? Anyone? Flow should be from left side, like image flow should be from the left side. Fluid. What is that? 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm not sure. It is a very common, sir, for the front end developers. Image kind of image related things, responsive images. IMG fluid, IMG image fluid. Okay, class is equal to image fluid. Yeah. Okay, like it should be something like a flow kind of thing. 1 minute. Yeah, have you observed, right? First thing, first image, is it arranged properly or not? First thing, is it arranged properly or not? Yes, seems to be first image is okay. But now the bigger, 1 minute, let me take. Now let me copy paste this one. Yeah, one time already we took. Now second time, third time, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let me take again 6 times. So this thumbnail, just like thumbnail, it will come, sir. Have you observed thumbnail kind of thing? Wow. Yes, friends. Okay, like, sir, that's all. This is so have you observed, right? This is thumbnail is coming with a clear. Okay, yes. Have you observed? Have you observed, right? Okay, like clear spacing kind of thing. Yeah. Narendra Kumar is asking a small doubt. Can you please observe, sir? You are taking something like what is the meaning on this one? Call LG3, call 6. Any explanation is required about this? Oh, on the large screen, each element is going to take 3 columns of space. Total 12 columns are there. Then obviously, how many images you can take? Each image is going to take 3 columns. 4 images on the large screen. Okay. Next, so on the extra small, how many places element is going to take? 6 columns, then only 2 elements. Only 2 elements. Okay, like, yeah. Now observe carefully about this one. Okay, that's all. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me move this one. Yeah. Automatically 4 will become 2. Next, even in the mobile view also, is it going to be 2 or not? Yeah. Have you observed, right? Either only 4, only 4, but if I can consider here only 2. Perfect. Is it coming properly? Yeah, friends. Okay. Sir, some people are going to ask, sir, here I want more space. Row. Okay, this is the who defined the, sir, image size this much only, compulsory every image style this much only. Okay, like 1 minute, 1 minute. I have one more image is there. Okay, sunny.jpg is there, sir. Okay, what I will take is okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. What I want to take here is, yeah, different sizes images is alternatively, let me take second image as sunny.jpg. Yeah, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth, sixth. Next. Can you please observe that? Okay. Next. Here my requirement is observe that. Okay. So only 2 images are there. Either 2 images or 4 images. 2 images or 4 images. Even image size is different also. No problem. No problem. Here I used some classes. Have you observed, right? My classes, which classes I used? Okay, like here image thumbnail. Who provided this class? Who provided this class? This class is provided by Bootstrap people. Because of that, it is going to be the size is always fixed based on that. Okay, now if you want inspect this element, if you want inspect, okay, like this is my image, okay, like so max with 100% height automatically it is going to set like if you don't want if you don't want this one, if you don't want this one, then automatically if you want you can customize, no problem at all. Okay, because of thumbnail class, here thumbnail image thumbnail, like I took, sir, because of that it's coming. Suppose I feel that here the space is very less, okay, the space is very less, like okay, 1 minute, let me change Sunny. Control Z. Yeah, yeah, good. Here the space is very small, it seems. Okay, if you want more space, Bootstrap thumbnail, it is providing this much space only. I want more space between these. What I will take is here, have you observed, right? All these elements are available inside row, correct? All these elements are available inside a row. Row to row, I want row to row, I want more gap. What I will take, inside this row div tag is there, inside this row div tag is there, then I want to take a margin bottom or margin top, like okay, 1 minute, here like inside the row class div tag is there. So for that margin bottom, like I'm taking some, yeah, some 15 pixel, like I'm trying to take. Yeah, can you please observe the difference? If I can take like this, what will happen? If I can take like this, what will happen? Yeah, can you please see? More space you can see, but earlier the space is something like this, but here more space you can see or not? Are you seeing right? Yeah. So a small application what we had. Now navbar everything is coming and so on. Now, sir, here there is one small problem we are facing. Yeah, column wise also, if you want you can increase, no problem, right? So but anyway default we are using thumbnail class which is provided by Bootstrap. Sir, here fixed top navbar, can I take? If I can take like that, the cinema is going to start. Can I click on it to view? Here if you want you can keep, if you want to view this one, then automatically click on to view. Which one, Boina? Where do you want to talk about these things, or images? If you want then you require to take inside anchor tag, inside anchor tag, okay, like, or otherwise you can define styling for that. If I on click for this, automatically bigger thing is going to come, image size is more size, okay, like, or h over something, like we had, right? Okay, clear? Okay, like, sir, now that's all. Next, and after that here, if you want so here you can use this place also, no problem, right? Because everything in our control, everything is in our control, okay, like so if you want here you can run some ads kind of thing, or new product ads, something like you can do that. Okay, yeah. Now my question is yeah, sir, fix a navbar and below part jumbotron scrollable. Yeah, here just observe that the problem here is have you observed, right? It is not fixed navbar, it is not top fixed top, it is not. I want to take some fixed navbar, fixed top navbar. What I have to take, somewhere we use it, right? Here where I can take nav bar fixed, nav bar fixed, like we can take here. What I'm trying to take, nav bar, sorry, fixed top. What is the class name? I don't know. Open. Why I have to remember all that nonsense? Nav bar position, like something is there. Forms, text, color schemes, placement, default, fixed top, fixed top. Okay, like now here just observe that I'm taking fixed top. If I can take a fixed top, what will happen? How it looks like? 1 minute. Have you observed? There is a problem. There is a problem. Okay, gap is not, even the margin also by default gap is not enough. Then open Jumbotron margin top, some 100 pixel I'm taking. One minute. Margin top I'm trying to take. Yeah, have you observed, right? Now have a look once. Is it yes, fixed top nav bar or not? Yes, but here this one is not coming inside container. Observe. But if you want, we can take this inside a container, no problem, right? Observe carefully. Clear, right? Because of fixed top. Yes, fixed top. Some it is going to affect, some styles are going to be overridden because of that fixed top. Fixed top is by default it is taking always okay, full screen. That's why if you want, we can do that, no problem, right? Clear? Any doubt? Okay, are you going to practice this example? Sir, just I practiced before this session, almost I spent 2 hours time on this. That's why without facing any problem, I'm explaining. Okay, but whenever you are practicing, a number of problems are going to come. You have to dig. But one thing you people should be aware, just this is basic idea. Believe me. So just we should have some basic idea on the front end. Okay, that's why I'm covering all these things. We are not front end developers. Even if you want, we can take a 3 to 4 months course only on Bootstrap. Okay, believe me. Getting right? Basic idea. Are you people are getting? Okay. Next, there is one small thing I want to explain. Just a matter of few minutes. Yeah, observe carefully. Sir, here I want to take one icon image also. Here I want to take one image kind of thing here, because camera image I want to take. Camera image I want to take. Login here, some person image I want to take. Something like in the websites, you are going to see some images you can take here, like yeah, I want to take icons. Okay, like so we have several small icons. Happily we can take, no problem, right? What is the way how we can do that, right? Okay, next, if I can remove this text align center, how it looks like. Mm, now is it good or center is the good? Respond. Is it good or center is the good? Center is the good. Left is good. Yeah, that depends. Just comment that, no problem. Yeah, like anyway, anything is no problem at all. Any here I want to take one image icon kind of thing. What we have to do is, okay, there are There are multiple ways are there, okay, to do that. What I will do is, let me go for, okay, there is one website is there to provide icons. Okay, there is some website is there to provide icons, right? Sir, what most of the people are always going to use, fun font have some icons. Observe that. What is this one? Can you please confirm? Font have some icons. Okay, like, yeah. Now there are multiple icons are there. Okay, like here, all okay, all 7865 of some icons are there. There are some free icons, there are some free icons are there. Even there are some paid icons also there. Next, even the Bootstrap also contains some icons. Don't worry, even Bootstrap limited icons are there. Okay, icons, like, if you consider, there are several icons are there here, like, so get Bootstrap icons, okay, like, all these are various icons provided by Bootstrap. Okay, like, big dash, big fill, okay, like, are you seeing right? Home, bank, like, so normal images, if you want, you can use these images, right? No problem at all. But how you can use, I will explain. I will explain that this part also, don't worry, right? But anyway, most commonly used font have some images, right? What I have to take is very simple, sir. If you want to use this one compulsory, so CDN must be required. Let me take the CDN. If I can access directly CDN, yeah, load all styles, okay, like, let me copy paste this one, copy, where I have to take CDNs, where I require to take CDN, inside head or body. Okay, let me take inside head I'm taking. Okay, like, first CDN we require to copy, and then what we have to take is, yeah, here icons are there, right? Which icon you require? Camera icon I require. Camera 36 matches are there. So there are multiple. This is one cam. This is one cam. Yeah. In multiple places are there icons. Don't feel, okay. This is commonly used website. Here this one is there. Only these three images are free images. All the remaining are paid images. So pro. Have you observed, right? Pro. Like, only these three images are free images in the camera category. Let me take this one. Okay, CDN already I took, right? Okay, start using this icon. Okay, only I just copy this iframe, something like I copy this tag. Okay, just copy this tag. Now in my CSS, in my HTML, where I have to take, sir? Inside Jumbotron. Okay, inside Jumbotron, Durga bar photo gallery is there. Here I want to take this one. Okay, like, yeah. Have you observed, right? Durga bar photo gallery is there. There I want to take. No. Feeling comfortable? Instead of only theory, here just only data. We now this image also came into the picture. Okay. Next, suppose your contact login is there. Okay, this is the gallery, like, this is, sir, here login is there. Login is there. So for the login, one image I want to take. Okay, any where, camera I don't want. Okay, people something like I'm taking. Yeah, here I have observed there are some free images are available. There are some paid images are there. Okay, people images like what I will take, login, something like any image you can take, no problem at all. Yeah, here I'm taking, here I'm trying to take login like this one. I'm trying to take. Okay, user login, something like. Don't worry, same process is the same. CDN already added, right? CDN already added. Just a copy. Just copy. Do you know why CDN is required? Because these are the two classes we are using. But where these two classes are implemented in that CDN, have you observed in that CDN where these two are implemented in that CDN? Okay, like now observe carefully what I want to take, where I have to take. So just login. After login, are you seeing anywhere login link? Durga bar home products prices login. Okay, here let me copy paste that. Yeah, friends, seems to be too good, right? Okay, that's all. Okay, this is just how you can use okay, just the basic idea. Okay, just if you are going to design some more pages and if we link those pages for these home products prices and so on, a perfect web application is ready, right? Yeah, take wine glass beside the where instead of photo wine glass like image. Yeah, let me take that. Some people are very much interested, it seems. Where is that icon? Okay, wine glass. Yeah, these people can provide anything. Wine glass. Wow, 12 matchings are there. Wow, wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, camera why we have to require. What I will take is start this one. Yeah, copy here only. Copy. Okay, like so. In the Jumbotron. Okay, after photo gallery, let me take this one. Yeah, wonderful. Why this one is required? Let me remove this camera. Ah. Okay. uh, yeah, good. Are you feeling comfortable, right? Yeah. So better to develop. Okay, better to develop this one, and then you people are going to get much clarity. Don't worry at all. Okay, like so even how many components we discussed, right? Navbar, Jumbotron, next and after that, okay, grid, next how you can add icons like but if you want to use any icons, okay, suppose you're from the bootstrap also. In the bootstrap also we had some icons are there. Okay, don't worry. If you want, it's very simple. For the bootstrap, separate CDN is required or not required? Can you please confirm? CDN is required or not required? Not required. Not required because already bootstrap CDN is there with us. Okay. Wine, wine glass like so. Nothing found. Try searching again. Nothing found. Try searching again. Okay. Like it is not third party, right? It is not paid. That's why like that's why. Next and after that limited only camera. Okay. Like yeah, camera. Yeah. Just select whatever you require. Select whatever you require. Okay. Like now here have you observed just you require to copy paste, okay, this I tag. Wherever it is required, just copy this I tag. Getting the point? Beyond that, nothing. So only extra thing CDN is not required to place because it is already there in the Bootstrap. Yeah. Okay, that's it. I hope everyone in the position to understand this, right? Okay, so I will share these notes, I mean this application, just better to practice.